What's up, guys? I'm Lunar Alpha and I'm back at it. I hope you all are having a great day. Today, we're just gonna give everybody hugs because why not? I mean, let's just spread love because all the hate that's going on around the world is just, too much. Let's just spread love and give people some hugs. I mean, what's wrong with giving people hugs? It's just an innocent act of kindness, I guess. But I'm joined by my friend, Happy Drugs. Yes, I am going to censor that. Because, Copa. But yeah, I don't. Oh, and the new update. They're going to nerf Venomous skin. I was gonna upgrade that skill to like level 5, I think. But see, I mean, they're gonna take away Air Bite. They're gonna make DB even more expensive. I mean, it took me a month to get it level 8. Yes, it's level 8. I know it's very weak. Yeah, ignore that. No, also gonna ignore that because I literally swear. Oh, and the giveaway account is going to be delayed because of the update. Because I'm gonna try and upgrade DB damage boost. I mean, they're gonna take away Airbyte. I mean, it's what? I mean, the good news is they're gonna have new skills, and attack and health are gonna be longer. I mean, 750 is a big jump, but still, they're gonna make it less expensive, but still, 750 is like, wow. Oh god, what the heck? Okay. I guess we're just gonna cuddle each other because no one wants cuddles. That's just sad. Why does nobody want cuddles? Well,